Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video guys to any of you trying to find where the gauges, speedometer, fuses and relays are located on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. We'll explain where you can expect to find them. We'll talk about some minor differences for year 2018, and if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information guys in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So guys, for the speedometer, gauges, which fuses and relays we need to check, we'll demonstrate on that generation GMC Sierra. Now you will be working in two different fuse boxes, but you have many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. What we need to do first, open the driver door, and when you do that guys, come to the side of the dash here. That cover needs to be removed. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here what we need to check. First, in that fuse box we need to check two different fuses. Let's zoom in so we can clearly see that. The first fuse that we need to check is known as fuse 23. It's that double micro 3-blade fuse. Those are hard to find guys. Always keep some replacement ones for peace of mind. Next, you need to check fuse number 34. Okay, now 34 is this 10M fuse right here. After that guys, we need to open the hood on that GMC Sierra. On the driver's side, next to the brake fluid reservoir, you have a fuse box. Open that cover. Underneath, you have two different kinds of fuse boxes. That's year 2018. That's what it looks like. And for year 2018, we need to guys check fuse number 4. And you wonder where that one is now. Okay, that's fuse number, let me show you now. That'll be fuse number 3, 4 right here. That's fuse number 4. And some of you may also guys, okay, let me analyze that, excuse me, that will be actually that 4, because that's fuse number 70, that's right, that's fuse number 74, that's 3, that's 4, fuse number 4 and fuse number 8, these two fuses will need to be checked right here. Then something else guys, okay, if you have year 2014 through year 2017, we're talking about again fuse number 4 and 8. Okay, they're the same, but the fuse boxes may differ slightly guys. So all these will need to be checked. You don't have relays, you have those fuses that are known as relay fuses that you will need to check on your GMC Sierra. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.